This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing a focused question and the performance metric you will optimize. This shapes everything that follows. Next, set up a public GitHub repository with a concise README and environment file so reviewers can reproduce results. Do this now, not later. Then collect 1 or 2 datasets and record source, size, and access steps. Once done, create an initial folder structure. data/notebook/src/ and results/. That structure saves time when you start coding. You move into execution by performing exploratory data analysis to understand distributions, missing values, and obvious biases. This informs your feature work. Then implement a reproducible pipeline for ingesting, cleaning, transforming, and feature engineering. Version datasets and intermediate outputs so you can backtrack. Train a simple baseline first, then iterate model complexity while logging metrics and parameters. As you go, commit clear messages and update the README with methodology and key. You finish by polishing how the project appears on your resume. Craft 1 or 2 bullets that state the problem, your method, and measurable impact. Make sure your GitHub has a short demo notebook, a concise README summary, and at least 1 link to a live demo or visual slides. Finally, verify reproducibility by following your own setup steps on a fresh environment and add a troubleshooting tip. If something breaks, include the exact error and the single command or config change that fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.